Mario's 10 questions about gas. Mario's 10 questions about gas. First question: natural gas is mostly used for cooking, heating, and space heating in homes around the world. My man Moss isn't here, but I'm sure he would have something to say about natural gas. Anyway, I I'm going to say that's true. Natural gas. That's natural gas. Anyway, we'll go teeth true. Bit of natural gas. We used to have cars. We had LPG, and then we had natural gas as well. There. Good evening, Moz. Yes. You're just in time to weigh in on natural gas. I imagine you know a lot about natural gas. Yes, natural gas, primarily methane, is the leading fuel in residential cooking, water heating, and space heating in many countries. 50% of US homes, high percentage in Europe, Asia, New Zealand. It's efficient, clean burning, and piped directly to appliances. Yes, natural gas to pipe to the place of use. LPG is bottled. Yes, yes. Yeah, yes, that's true. Although they used to have coal gas here, my grandmother used to have coal gas in Palmerston North, and that was reticulated. And the guy that used to live next door to us, coal gas, the guy that used to live next door to us, Harold, he used to work in the gas works. And yeah, he used to bring home a suitcase full of coal every day for the fire. And then coke was a byproduct of the natural gas. Okay, next question. One from one. So, Harold used to ride a little 50cc motorbike every day into Wellington. I think he might have gone quite a way, maybe 20 or 30 k's. Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, is commonly stored in red cylinders. Solid gas, now exhausted. All right. And used for barbecue grills, camping stoves, and portable heaters. We don't have it in red cylinders here in New Zealand, that's for sure. But it's barbecue camping. A lot of people use it for hot water heaters. They get the large LPG bottles swapped out and they use it for water heating. Separate, to their stoves. Yes, I think that's how it goes. I don't know whether it's instantaneous water heating. I don't think they have a cylinder. I'm not sure on that. But yes, false. Yeah, they're grey or blue here. I don't know whether that's. Yeah, I'm going to say I sort of. Yeah. Yes. I think. Yeah, we don't have red cylinders, but Oh well, we'll question it. It's false. Incorrect. Not flamed. LPG, a mix of protein and butane, is commonly stored in red cylinders in many countries. No. The red colour is a safety standard for flammable gas containers. It's widely used exactly for... No. No. Look. Definitely no red cylinders in NZ or Oz. Never ever seen a red cylinder. Okay. That's telling him. Strongly worded email. All right. Yes, and a lot of I know the Chinese takeaways like the LPG because it's a lot hotter. But in New Zealand, they're trying to phase it out by regulation and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know how that goes, but they like it's not hot enough for the stir frying and the oil and stuff. So yeah, oh, Grox, buddy, grinding away on this. Anyway, what's happening? Oh, he's going for it. Well, we'll just have to see how he goes. So, how was the pizza party? Oh, right. Yeah, there we go. Right. Right. Okay, I don't know whether we got accredited with that, but we were right anyway. Yeah. Okay. And they checked the New Zealand standard. Yeah, no, it's anyway. Right. Next question. Yeah, we challenged that. Yeah. So we didn't go down the pizza one. We're doing intermittent fasting. So, and mostly just eating protein, low carb stuff. Most modern gas ovens and stovetops run on natural gas or LPG that is ignited by an electric spark rather than a pilot light. I think that's I think that one's true. They do have that. Oh, what's it called? It's sort of a ceramic thing, isn't it? Yeah, or crystal. Yeah, I'm going true on that one anyway. But I can remember the old Califont gas heaters that people used to use for their bath water that used to have a little pilot light in them. Yeah, no pilot light. I don't think. Oh, yeah, it just ignites, doesn't it? Oh, I've screwed it up. It should be T. Oh, damn, I don't know. Oh dear. It should have a some sort of data validation on it that only allows you to answer with a letter or some sort of safety word. True. Yes, except I have one burner that won't light with the piezo. That's the word we're looking for. Yeah, okay. On the Barbie or on the, yeah, a plasma lighter. What, one of those ones they advertise on Timu and stuff. Oh, really? Okay. Like it's electric, not there's no gas in it. The plasma lighter. Is it any good? Since the 1990s, 2000s, most new gas appliances, especially in New Zealand, Australia, US, and Europe, use electronic ignition, a small electric spark from a piezo, that's right, or battery powered igniter, instead of constant burning pilot light. This saves gas, no wasted fuel, is more energy efficient, and is standard in nearly all modern stovetops and ovens. Older models may still have pilots, but they're rare now. 2 out of 3. They haven't given us our point. I have to on the kitchen stove. Yes, but from eBay. Okay, right. Oh, eBay. eBay. Oh, okay. Oh well. Oh, yes. Okay. eBay. All right. Oh well. I'll have to get one off Timo to see how it goes. Um, yes. All right. Oh, okay. I thought the mongrel comment was about my response to your eBay. Right now. Okay, now let's see if I can get this right. Next. Yeah. All right. Next question. All right. Propane is heavier than air. So if there is a leak from a propane cylinder, the gas tends to collect at low levels near the floor. That's right. Is that right? I think methane is heavier. Oh, no, that's right. I'm thinking about the safety lamps in the mine, but if the light goes out in the safety lamp, that means there's no air, and that is carbon monoxide if it's down low, I think, and yeah, carbon and methane if it's up high. Didn't do those tests. T for true. Yeah. The safety lamp. Yeah. And then if the methane is at oh no, is it a particular level, it's percentage, then it's very dangerous. Correct. Yes. Most gas appliances use electronic ignition, saves gas, energy efficient, standard, yeah, older models, yeah. Okay. Next for question 4. So that was true. Next for question 4. Oh. What happened? We've done a hop, skip, and a jump. And, oh. Right, we said true for this. Yeah. Question 4 is true. So we head into question 5. Come on. Yes. Question 5. Yep. That's right. Okay. Question 4, we've correct. Propane, 3 carbon 3, hydrogen 8, has a density of 1.8 kilograms per cubic meter, heavier than air at 1.2. In a leak Propane gas sinks in pools in low-lying areas, creating a greater fire explosion risk if ignited. This is why propane safety guidelines stress ventilation at floor level and avoiding basements for storage. Natural gas methane is lighter and rises. Okay, now for the next question. All right. I think I put in a wrong. I confused them. For AI, for artificial intelligence, is very brittle in some areas. Propane is heavier than air. We've already done that question. We're looking for Q5. Come on. Oh, right. Oh, we're looking for Q6. I think he's one behind. I have a story. Okay, about in many countries. Oh, question 5 is true. Where did you see? I haven't seen this one before. I have a story. In many countries, natural gas supplied to homes has a strong smell added, mercaptan, so people can detect leaks easily. That's true, you reckon? I didn't see where you saw that. Or are you just guessing? I have a story. Have you seen that story about the guy that's on safari? Oh, right. Well, it's true. Pure natural gas methane is odourless and colourless. For safety, utilities in New Zealand, Australia, Europe and many other countries add a small amount of odorant, usually ethyl mercaptan or mercaptan blend, which gives a strong rotten egg smell. This makes leaks detectable by smell long before they reach dangerous concentrations. In New Zealand, gas safety regulations require this odorization. Okay. Next should be question 6. May not be. All right. I have a story. Oh, are you going to compressed natural gas? That's the one I was thinking of. Is commonly used as a cleaner fuel for buses and taxis in cities with air pollution problems. Yeah, we used to have that in New Zealand, CNG. That's right. I think, is that the one they use for forklifts as well? A lot of forklifts run on gas, I think. Yeah. I don't know which one it is. CNG. Yeah, we used to have that in the cars. You could get it at the petrol station. We can get LPG. Well, yeah, but you could also get CNG as well. It didn't go as far as the LPG. We used to have a Toyota Land Cruiser that we used at work, and it had one cylinder in the back. I think we had to fill it up just about every day. Yes. I'm going to go true on Q6. I'll go T for true just to move it along. I'm pretty sure on this one. That'll keep us rolling. Rolling it along. Question 6. Natural gas. Correct. Pure natural gas is odorless and colourless. Well, that's the answer to question 5. Right. Let's go Q6. response. A mate of mine got hold of the odour. He was an apprentice and dropped a few drops in a bin. They evacuated the entire apprenticeship workshop looking for a leak. They didn't use LPG in their workshop. Okay, question 6 is correct. We've got it right. Okay. Well, there's some people in Hamilton that they built their house near an old rubbish dump, and somehow methane got into the house, and I don't know if anyone died. And I know in Rotorua, a few people have died in motels from the gas, the gas from the ground. What's it? The rotten egg smelling one. I'm forgetting the name of it now. I'm not doing good. CNG, compressed natural gas, is widely adopted. Oh, sulfur dioxide is widely adopted in cities. Yes. Lower particulate matter, NOx, and CO2 emissions. Popular for public transport. Okay, let's go. Next. Come on, Grok. You're getting a bit... Yes. And then guys used to make acetylene bombs and all sorts of... Oh, we've done that. Okay. Yes. Well, that has a slight sulfur dioxide smell into it, doesn't it? Like if it can get sulfur dioxide if you few eggs and onions. Oh my God. He's not up with the program tonight. A few eggs and onions and things like that. All right. Butane is the main gas used in disposable cigarette lighters because it liquefies easy at room temperature. I don't know if that's the reason, but certainly I think it is the gas in lighters, the old butane. So I'm just going to move us along quickly with that. I think that one's true. Yep. T for true. Come on, Grok. Oh, now he'll go to that bloody split screen bloody thing that he wants us to do next. Come on. All right. That's true. Correct. Butane, isobutane mix, primary gas and disposable lighters, boiling point around -5 degrees C. Very close to room temp. So it stays liquid inside. When released, it vaporizes instantly into flammable gas. Propane would require much higher pressure to stay liquid at room temp, making it impractical. Okay, 6 out of 7. What's actually 7 out of 7 now? I'm going to type Q8 because that's what we're up to. And see if we can get this thing going, moving along a bit. Okay. Right. Come on, Grok. Or maybe, yeah. Gas fireplaces and gas heaters are usually more efficient than wood-burning ones because they produce no ash or smoke. Well, there's no argument with that. I think that's no ash or smoke. That's right. Well, the crematoriums use gas, don't they? Have been doing that for quite a few years. Yeah. don't know what else. Well, what else could you use? Oh, well, I think they use gas. Anyway, yes. Is that 8? T for true. Okay. 2 to go. Right. Right. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Correct. Modern gas fireplaces and heaters achieve 80 to 95% efficiency with sealed combustion direct venting. They produce no ash, minimal smoke, and very low particulate emissions compared to wood fires. Lose 50 to 70 of the heat up the chimney and create soot ash. Gas units also start instantly and maintain consistent heat. Although I have seen some wood burners, I've seen some on YouTube that they load them up and they'll go for over 24 hours. Very efficient. Yeah, I mean, probably not that as efficient as that, but pretty cool. Right. Q9. Here we go. No, you don't have to chop the wood, although if you're a firewood supplier person, you have to chop the wood to earn the money to pay for the gas. Natural gas is completely odorless and colourless in its pure form before any odorant is added. Natural gas. I think that's correct. I think they said that earlier. T for true on that one. I reckon. But there could be a little something in there. T for true. All right, here we go. And right. Now, all right. Okay. What the hell's happening now? Oh, that's true. Odorless and colourless. The strong rotten egg smell comes from mercaptan. Okay, the odorant that's added worldwide. Okay, and Q10. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. All right. All about gas. Natural gas is completely odorless and colourless. Oh, okay. T for true. That's the same question again. I don't know what happened there. Poor old Grok is buddy going bizarre here. Right. 9 out of 10. Master of Invisible Flame. You nailed almost everything. Natural gas, home uses, electronic ignition, propane density, mercaptan odorization, CNG cleaner fuel. Good. Only no. Okay, he didn't give us that one. But anyway, there we go. This has been Mario's 10 questions about gas.